People call me the hacker. Today, we'll be hacking P.S. McPhear. First, let's delete all her subscribers. I just removed one of them. Now let's get on with the rest. You know what? Just kidding. Yeah, hey Melody, it's Mia, Pokemon Girl 121, and I just friend hacked you. Oh yeah. Yep. Deal with it. That's it. Bye.